everybody, and welcome to my video. Today I want to share with you my Blessed to Craft projects for the month of February. These I'm so excited about. So we are using the Sweet Citrus bundle. This was the very first bundle I actually purchased from this entire catalog. I saw this and really wanted it, and I love that it is a bundle that has the stamp set, which is photopolymer, and I love it. I used it so much designing these projects. So we have the Sweet Citrus stamp. This is one that I will keep forever, for absolutely ever. I love it. And then you have the dies that go with it, and you can cut these out. And then there is an embossing folder. So this embossing folder is a 3D folder, so it's a really thick one. It's also, the die cuts out the items in this embossing folder. So it was so fun creating with these, all three of these products, the stamp set, the dies, and then the embossing folder. So let me show you the projects for the month. These are the 3 cards we're going to make. When you sign up to get this online class, you can sign up 2 different ways. You can sign up for the subscription, which you will save $5 on the class. It's $35. You sign up for the subscription and you get it monthly. You can cancel at any time. There's no requirement to stay. You know, for X amount of months. You can cancel at any time. It just saves you $5 in signing up for the subscription. You get a make and take kit. So this is my Blessed to Craft make and take monthly. And the idea is you get 3 projects to make. So 3 cards. We're making these 3 cards. You get some product. So you're going to get a quarter pack of this black and white paper. This black and white paper, it really is to die for. I love it. I've created so much with it. I love the black and white designs. I think I have 2 full packs here because I have some layouts that I want to design with this, and I just love it. It has, there's some cardstock in there and some pieces. You can see that I've cut this up and used it. And then the other thing that it pairs nicely with is the Memory and More's. This is the Adventure, I'm not sure the name of it. I'll put it up in the description, but it pairs well with these. And for Blessed to Scrap, I will be using this with the black and white paper. But for Blessed to Scrap, you're going to get these 3 projects plus the paper, and then you're going to get a set of brand new rhinestones. And I'm going to show you in the exclusive video for these cards, I am going to show you how to color those rhinestones to match your project. So I have rhinestones and I have some sequins on here. You will get a little bit of the sequins, and then you will get the designer paper and the rhinestones, and then you're going to get a strip of this really beautiful black and white ribbon. I actually purchased this ribbon to do some things in my craft room, some decor items, and I loved it so much on this card that you're going to get a strip of this ribbon to be able to make this card. So you get everything to make these cards. You get all of the pieces, all of the die cuts, and then when you are part of Blessed to Craft, you have the option to add on the stamp set or the bundle, and in this case it's the 3 items. You don't pay shipping and you don't pay tax when you purchase these through Blessed to Craft. It is a perk for being a part of Blessed to Craft. If you don't want to sign up for the subscription, you can sign up for the online class for $40, and that will include all of your pieces to make these cards, the exclusive video, and then the exclusive PDF where I share all of the measurements. In the exclusive video for this month, I am going to be showing you how to emboss these and cut these out and do this really fun technique with your ink pad and getting that color on on there. I'm going to show you using a Winka Stella. We will also use some glossy accents for this one right here. It is a really fun set. I really love it. So there is a link down below to sign up for the class. Either you can do it by subscription and save $5 for $35, or you can sign up for the one-time Get This Class for $40, and you will get all of the same items. Again, you'll get this exclusive ribbon that's not Stampin' Up. It's just something that I came across that I'm loving. You will also get the set of designer paper and a set of rhinestones. So if you have any questions, please let me know. There are photos on my website. There is a link in the description and on my website as well. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I hope that you will join me to make these cards this month in this online card class. And I will be back next week with more projects for you. I hope you're having a wonderful Friday if you're watching on Friday, and I will catch you next week.